You're watching Animals Undercover. Welcome to Animals Undercover, the only show that broadcasts live from outer space.
I'm legally required to tell you that we are neither live nor in outer space.
Well, fine if you want to be all factual about it. You never let me have any fun.
How can you say that when our first segment is all about fun?
Ooh, why didn't you say so? Okay, I guess we have fun sometimes. Bug powers go! Super speed activated! I'm hungry. Luckily, there's a random thing on the ground.
Humans call this thing a slide. I wonder why. Weird. Whenever I try to climb up of it, I keep slipping down. I wonder if there's a word for that. You know what? I give up. I tried slide.
Now, you see, you gotta shine up these grapes before you eat them. That's what makes them extra tasty. Yeah. You know what? You know what would make this meal even better? Gladiators fighting for my amusement! Yeah. No. All right. These grapes by themselves will do.
It is I, the Raccoon Refrigerator Raider. Oops. I may be a bit rusty. You're not timing me, are you? I don't work well under pressure. We're in! Now let's see what we got. Canned meat! Jackpot! It's the perfect heist!
Oh, hey, Tom. Do you like my spooky ghost outfit? Oops, looks like I'm a bit stuck. Here, give me a second.
Who's done this?
What? Oh, I don't know. Maybe a ghost who hates beds? Hello?
Look, Ma, I made a hotel for dogs. I call it the Cush Inn. Get it?
Get me out of there.
No, never!
Diddly-doo, diddly-dee. Oh, sorry about the mess, Terry. I guess I got a bit bored. Or should I say, cardboard? Yeah, little joke there, but seriously, you should play with me more.
Oh, boy. Destroying things sure is exhausting. I feel like I could nap for a week. On the upside, if I keep up this kind of exercise, I'm gonna be shredded. Just like all this newspaper. Oh no.
Woo-wee! Boys not out!
Uh-oh, it's the police!
They'll never catch us. We have 3 horsepower.
And for my next trick, I will escape this cage that was specifically made to hold in baby goats. Ta-da!
Wow, amazing!
Could it be? It is the perfect back scratching tree. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is like the holy grail of scratching trees. If I sell maps to this tree, I could make millions. Wait, no, bears don't have money. Never mind.
Ooh, just watching that last video made me crave a good back scratching.
Do you want me to scratch your back?
Ooh, would you?
Absolutely not. But what I will do is kick off part 1 of this week's countdown of chubby hamsters. Roll it! just roll these package pirates and let you see for yourself.
This is no place to leave a package full of food. I'll just get this cleaned up. Sir or madam, if you're watching from your doorbell cam, I would like to point out that I'm not a possum. I'm an opossum. The O stands for, oh no, that opossum just stole my food. Now, where did I leave that catnip stashed?
Oh, he's gonna hit the jar.
Ma'am, that's offensive. I'm not some clumsy elf who... Oh. Oops.
Hello, sir. Yeah, I have a letter for you. Yeah, that's right. Forget airmail. I'm delivering bear mail.
Hey you! What are you doing here? What's in that package? Is it cheese? It better not be cheese. I'll have you know my owner is lactose intolerant. Well, this is clearly a trap. It's probably filled with Gouda, or Swiss, or pepper jack. That diabolical delivery man knows Greg's weakness. There's only one thing to do. Doodly-doo, sitting here totally innocently.
Archie, let her out.
Let who out? I'm sure I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, guess the cat's out of the bag.
You're lucky I'm sleepy right now.
Oh, here are my cookies. The Girl Scouts must have delivered them to the wrong address. Well, that's what I get for living in a tree.
Yes, I destroyed your wallet, Sharon. I'm helping save your soul. Money is the root of all evil, you know. It also feels very good to tear up.
What did you do?
You'll have to be more specific.
Why are you a mess?
Why do you ask so many questions?
What did you get into? Shall we go find out?
I feel like my lawyer should be present.
I'm a little nervous. Are you gonna show me?
I'll show you. I just hope I don't end up in the doghouse for this.
Vomit.
I couldn't resist.
The pancake mix?
It's even better if you don't cook it. It's better, Carla.
Wow, this can smells like delicious trash. I'm gonna put it by my bed so I can smell this all the time. I think this is what aromatherapy is.
You know, if an adorable fuzzy critter stole a package off my porch, I probably wouldn't even be mad.
So you're saying that if I trained a group of animal porch pirates, I'd be untouchable?
I definitely did not say that. But what I will say is let's watch part 2 of this episode's countdown.
Just as I now predict that we will show some wild encounters. Oh, why do I tempt fate? For the story! I like to tell the tale of how I pull the tail.
Oh, it's time to play Boop the Lizard.
I love Boop the Lizard.
Boop. Boop. Boop.
Holy moly!
Oh, calm down, lady. I play Boop the Lizard all the time. I've never lost. None of us lions have ever lost. Well, except Fred that one time. We don't talk about Fred, though. My ma told me never to play with my food, but Ma isn't here right now, so I'm gonna play Toss the Chipmunk. Come here.
Worst game ever!
I skipped class on snake hunting day, so guess I'm just gonna wing it.
Greetings, kangaroo. My colleagues and I just wanted to swoop on down and invite you to dinner.
No, thank you.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun. We'll hang out, have a few laughs. You'll love it.
I have other dinner plans. Sorry.
I really must insist.
Look at that. That's my ride. It's here. Gotta go. I have the worst breath on the beach.
No, I have the worst breath on the beach.
Impossible. Yeah, I had sardines for lunch.
Okay. Yeah, your breath is worse than mine. Oh, I need more time to build up the power of my stanky breath.
Hey, I'll help you practice.
Oh, thanks, Phil.
They said it would never work. They said a meerkat and a baboon could never be friends. But just look at us now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm mostly in it for the bugs on your tummy.
Oh, stop ruining the moment. Oh, wow. You sure got big ears for a kitty.
You're just jealous because I had dinner before you.
I'm not. Kitty attack.
Kitty counterattack!
Hi, what are you guys doing? Can I play?
Steven, did you borrow my headphones again?
No way, man.
Liar. I recognize your earwax on them.
Oh, stop being crazy, Glenda.
Never. Whoa, hey, watch out for the bushes.
But throwing you into the bushes was my plan.
Oh, good plan. What were we fighting about again?
Something about corn?
How dare you, Cynthia? You knew I had a crush on Johnny.
Then you should have made a first move.
You're about to go from Jack Rabbit to Jacked Up Rabbit.
You hit like a gopher.
Okay, I'm done. Let's get smoothies.
How about Froyo? Vinny, what the shell are you doing?
I can't help it. You look so delicious.
I'll knock it off.
No, I'm gonna eat you. Stay still.
Heed my call, fellow baby crabs. It is I, Christopher, your chosen leader. Our numbers are so great that now we can rise up and overtake the humans.
Not this again. We don't want world domination, Chris. We just want plankton.
Did someone say plankton? Where?
Boy, that's the second most baby crabs I've ever seen.
Second most?
Yeah, long story, a lot of pinching. But right now we've got part 3 of a countdown to watch.
So, no VR?
Let's see some pets. Okay, alright, we're coming up on your place. Oh, sorry, just passed it. That's okay. I'll just make a quick U-turn right here.
Thanks a lot, friend. This is a great service you have here. What do you call it again?
Oh, Pupper. It's like how humans use that app to call cars, but better, 'cause dogs. Don't forget to rate me 5 paws on the app.
Okay, pups. This is called going for a walk.
Aw, this is great. It's kind of easy, though.
Yeah, I'm not even breaking a sweat.
Well, you're not using your legs.
But we're using your legs. Shouldn't we be feeling the burn or something?
Yeah, speed up. I want to work out.
You are gonna love it back at my place, Casey. Oh, I've got chew toys and socks. I use as chew toys. Oh, and food. And food. Yeah, it's the best.
Sounds great. But did you clear this with the humans?
Don't worry. They're cool.
What do you have?
Vanessa, this is Casey. Casey, this is Vanessa. I found him in this bucket here. He's gonna live with us forever.
I was only planning to stay for dinner.
Forever.
What are you looking at, huh, punk?
Danny.
Yeah, that's right. I'm a big bad wolf. Keep filming and you're gonna regret it. I'm gonna huff and puff and blow that camera right out of your hands.
Come back here for a minute, Danny.
Why, Mom?
We need to have a talk. Look, about you being a wolf.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm actually a super wolf, right?
Oh, Danny.
When cowboys say, "Get along, little doggy," they're talking about me. I am the little doggy. Yeehaw! Now, where the heck did that bird go? I just had him in my sights. Who said that? Must have been my imagination. Well, I'll find that bird yet. We cats are the ultimate hunters. Nothing can escape me.
Tenny?
Come on! I'm just trying to help.
No, let him do it himself.
Fine. Come on, little kitty. You see? He needs my help.
Are you trying to help me or eat me?
I'm helping. Now stay still.
Whee!
See? I'm helpful.
I'm just glad I didn't get eaten. Hey, Mom, let's play a game.
No. Mama's resting.
I've got the perfect game. It's called Jump on Mom.
Well, I've got a game for you, too.
Ooh, what's it called?
It's called the Gravity Game.
Oh, I've never heard of the gravity. Ah! Very funny, Mom. Don't try riding a crocodile at home, kids. I'm a trained professional, and danger is my middle name.
Your middle name is Leonard, and you're only bothering me because you know I can't bite through your shell.
Whoa! Ride 'em, cow turtle!
Wow, that turtle was way braver than I would be in that situation.
I would say most creatures are braver than you.
Hey!
And now, without further ado, the #1 clip of the countdown. What's the point of all this human brain? We haven't invented a hamster World Cup yet.
A good question to ponder. But unfortunately, we're out of time for this episode. Join us next time when we bring you more destructive dogs, crafty cats, and other preposterous pets right here on Animals Undercover.